Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Imagine getting approved for a home loan at a much lower interest rate or getting that dream credit card with amazing rewards. All of this becomes possible when you have a good credit score. But what if your score is low right now? Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you simple, proven steps to improve your credit score in 2026, even if you're a complete beginner. Stick till the end because the last tip can give you fast results. A credit score is a three-digit number between 300 and 850 that shows lenders how likely you are to repay borrowed money. In America, most lenders use the FICO score. Here's what the numbers mean. 300 to 579 is poor, 580 to 669 is fair, 670 to 739 is good, 740 to 799 is very good, and 800 plus is excellent. Higher score means lower interest rates and you save thousands of dollars. Your credit score is based on 5 main factors: payment history, which is 35% and the most important, credit utilization at 30%, length of credit history at 15%, new credit at 10%, and credit mix at 10%. Now let's go through the practical steps you can start today. Step 1. Always pay your bills on time. This is the #1 rule. Never miss a payment. Late payments hurt your score the most. Set up automatic payments for all your bills, use reminders or apps, and even if you pay just the minimum, make sure it's on time. Pro tip: pay twice a month so your balance stays low. Step 2. Keep your credit utilization below 30%. This is a game changer. Credit utilization is your balance divided by your credit limit times 100. Aim to keep it under 30%, ideally under 10%. Pay off your credit card balance in full every month if possible. Ask for a credit limit increase if you have good payment history, and don't close old cards because it can hurt your score. Step 3. Check your credit report for errors. Many people have mistakes that are lowering their score. You can get your free credit report every week from annualcreditreport.com. Check all 3 bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. If you find any error, dispute it immediately. It's free and can boost your score quickly. Step 4. Don't open too many new accounts. Every time you apply for new credit, a hard inquiry happens. Too many inquiries look risky. Only apply when you really need it. Build slowly and steadily. Step 5. Build positive credit history. Keep your oldest credit cards open. Consider becoming an authorized user on a family member's good card if possible. Think about a secured credit card or credit builder loan if you have thin credit. A mix of credit types also helps. Here are some bonus fast tips. Pay more than the minimum whenever you can. Use credit cards for small purchases and pay them off immediately. Avoid payday loans and rent-to-own schemes. And remember, be patient. Good changes usually show up in 1 to 3 months. Improving your credit score is not difficult. It just needs consistency. Start with just 1 or 2 steps this week. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more simple money tips every week. Comment below. What is your current credit score range? I read every comment.